Hey everybody, it's me Nancy.
And me Regina. Two crazy friends of cooking.
Today we are going to be making no-bake chocolate oatmeal cookies. So come along. First off, you know what I'm going to do.
Wash those hands.
Of course. You always want to wash them hands before you start cooking any food or messing with any food.
Exactly.
Exactly. This is going to be fun.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what we want to start off with, we'll cut the burner on medium. And what we're going to do first is, we're going to add 1 stick of butter, which is half a cup. For those of you who don't know, half a cup of butter is 1 stick. We're going to be adding 2 cups of sugar. We're going to be adding
4 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
Okay, this is what I'm talking about. See how rapid that's boiling?
Yes.
Regina, you want that to do that for 90 seconds because that's what really makes your...
Oh, that smells so good.
Don't it smell good?
Yes.
And everybody, I want to let everybody know, most of my recipes are from family members that have passed. This recipe is from my Aunt Hattie. As a kid, I would go to her house, and she was always wanting to bake pies and cookies and everything. And you go to her house, and you could just smell it, all this good aroma where she's cooking these cookies and everything. And as a kid, we loved these cookies. Okay, I'm going to cut my heat off. And I'm going to take this off of the burner. Just like that. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to add my half a cup of peanut butter. Get all that in there. The peanut butter comes out there really easy. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about. You have to kind of work pretty fast.
Yeah.
I'm going to add my 1½ teaspoons of vanilla. And you don't want this to be on the burner cooking. You want to take it off because this is one of the last things you do to the cookies. So you're going to mix all that peanut butter in there. Get it just so till it all gets melted. See how creamy that looks?
Oh, that looks so good.
And if you don't do this step by step with the recipe, it won't turn out right. So make sure you go directly for what it calls for on your recipe. And it'll turn out right every time. And we always share a recipe with our video. So be sure we added our 3 cups of oatmeal or quick oats. And you want to really stir it to get this oatmeal all coated with that chocolate. And you have to work kind of fast because it starts to harden. See, it's getting hard to stir now.
I wish we had smell-o-vision so they could smell this.
I do too.
It smells so good.
Okay, now I got it all mixed in, and it's already starting to get harder to stir. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to start. You can use wax paper, but full work just as good. And you want to just spoon these out, and spoon them out as big or small as you want them to. But you kind of have to work kind of fast, because like I said, it dries really fast. And I got my ceiling fan on, so they'll get hard faster, you know? But smell them, don't they smell so good?
Oh, yes.
And this I made a lot of cookies. And these are nice to give as Christmas gifts to somebody that you really want to give to.
I would really, really, really like a whole plate full of these for a Christmas gift. I'm just throwing that out there, my friend.
Oh, yeah. And, you know, just put them in these little boxes, or the things with the lids on them, plasticware with the lids. And I'll tell you how I like them. I like to put them in a container and put them in the refrigerator. Because they're like fudge. They really taste like fudge. See how that's already hardened and sticking in a pot?
That's why you got to be so fast.
Yeah, you got to be fast at getting it out of there before it dries. And this is the old recipe, like I said, my Aunt Hattie. And I like old recipes.
I do too.
I think they're the best.
They are. And you ain't got to worry about the shape being perfectly round or anything with these.
No,
you just put it on there.
Yes. Smooth them out, make them. You can't get them perfectly round, you know. So you just get them out there. Now, I don't know how many cookies came out of that one batch. You can make them bigger or you can make them smaller. It doesn't really matter.
Look like about 22.
22 cookies? All right. Sometimes.
Oh my goodness. Nancy, come in here and look what your elf on the shelf's doing.
What's he doing?
Look here.
Oh my goodness gracious. He'll do anything to get in a video.
Yes, he will.
I'm gonna spank him.
Nancy, would you now look what he's doing? Look.
Oh my God. He's just into everything. I'm gonna have to wash him and everything. Look, he's even trying to open a Christmas cake. What you gonna do with him?
Can't do nothing.
Hey friends, next week is our Christmas cake giveaway. So subscribe so you can be the 10th person to comment so two crazy friends can hand deliver our delicious apple cake live on video to you.
And make sure that you view this video all the way to the end for rules on how to play for a chance to win. Yay!
Hello out there! Remember to have a chance to win our Christmas cake giveaway. Simply subscribe to our channel, Two Crazy Friends Cooking. Set your notifications and be ready, guys, for our video to premiere within the next week. So it's as simple as this. Once the video premieres, listen close for the secret Christmas word to appear. You can't miss it. It will pop up somewhere and surprise you in the next video. Once you hear or see the secret word, comment it below in the comments section as fast as you can to have a chance to win. It's that simple. The 10th subscriber to comment wins. So if you notice, hey, you're the 10th comment below, just sit back and relax. Two Crazy Friends Cooking will announce and declare the winner in the comments as well. So good luck to you all. And two things to remember, guys. The majority of our subscribers are local to us, so we anticipate the winner to be within the 10-mile or 20-mile radius, rather. If you are outside of the 20-mile radius, guys, don't fret. You will still be able to win and receive a secret surprise gift by mail. We will contact you and go over the logistics to receive your prize privately with you. So, we're so excited. If you're in the 20-mile radius, they will hand deliver your cake live in the following video. So stay tuned and get subscribed and get ready so you can win. Merry Christmas and good luck to you all.